channel. Long time no see. It has been quite a while since I've posted here on my YouTube channel, and there's honestly no good reason why I haven't been posting. I think my style changing has had a little bit to do with it. I just haven't felt very inspired with our current home decor. I am starting to feel more inspired now that my style is starting to change, and I'm really trying to figure out what I love and I don't love. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a few Valentine's Day decor ideas, along with just showing you a few other areas of my home that I have decorated. I haven't showed you guys anything since Christmas, so a lot has changed around here and a lot is going to change still. I have a new console table coming hopefully in the next week or so, and I will film that for you guys so you can see the transformation of that space. If you guys do not already follow me on Instagram, please make sure to do so. The link is always in the description box down below. I hope that you guys have been having a great new year. I would love if you could let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see from me this year, content-wise. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to the video. Alright, so getting this video started, we are going to start by taking this cute little cutting board tray or stand from the Target Dollar Spot section. I've gotten so many questions on where this is from my reel that I posted over on my Instagram page. I'm then just taking some conversation hearts and pouring those in there. This gumball machine is also from the Target Dollar Spot. I just stripped all the paint off of it and made it clear, which I think is absolutely adorable. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below if you guys like conversation hearts or if you think they are gross. I'm a pretty big fan. My favorite are the pink ones. I feel like the white ones taste the worst, but I would love to know what you think in the comments down below. This little truck is from Hobby Lobby, and that little vase with flowers is from the Target Dollar Spot as well. Same with those two little heart-shaped pieces. Now, a lot of questions on my glam socket. This is from Amazon. It just makes your outlets look a little more pretty. If you guys are interested in making your outlets in your home look nicer, this is definitely a great option. It has a bunch of USB ports, all that good stuff. So I will link it down below for you guys if you are interested. I actually ended up changing up the tray to the rectangle cutting board instead of the round one, but I absolutely love the way that it turned out. This cute little pot I found at Hobby Lobby. I believe it was around $5 when it was 50% off, and I'm just adding this little greenery plant from Amazon to it and putting that next to my utensil crock. Next, we are going to move on to our kitchen island. I like to take everything off of the island and give it a good wipe down before I redecorate it. This is a pretty highly trafficked area in our house, so it does get pretty dirty pretty quickly. I'm starting with my new wooden tray that I got from Target. I will have as many things as I can linked down below for you guys. As you will see, I change out a couple things. It definitely takes me a couple tries to see what I like and I don't like. That's the fun thing about decorating, is it doesn't have to be perfect the first, second, or even third time. You can change things around until you have something that makes you happy. Just a little tip, if you have any measuring cups that you want to display, I use rice to stack my measuring cups. It's very easy and inexpensive, and it is a great little tip, especially if you collect these measuring cups from Redone. If you guys love the volcano candle from Anthropologie, this red lava candle from Walmart is a complete dupe, and it's like a quarter of the price. Highly, highly recommend it. I will have a link down below for you guys as well. Now this little area of our home is one of my favorite spots, not only because we have our beautiful gallery wall with our pictures here, but because of this little bench. Curtis made this for me, which I don't know if I've actually ever mentioned it here on my YouTube channel, but he made this for me a couple months ago, and I just absolutely adore it. It's perfect, it's everything that I wanted and imagined, and it's even more special because he made it for me. So I am just going to be changing out the throw blankets and adding this small pillow that I got from the Target Dollar Spot area to add a touch of Valentine's Day over here. Moving on to the next day in an outfit change, I'm going to be adding some more little touches of Valentine's Day, starting with these cute little towels. I believe I got these from Target a couple years ago. I absolutely love them. And then I'm going to move over to our kitchen table, give this a good wipe down, and then we're going to start decorating this as well. So as I mentioned in the intro of this video, my style has been changing a ton over the last month or so. I'm definitely going more towards the more modern, minimal feel. I'm trying to phase out the super farmhouse vibe. I definitely am more into the minimalist, more minimal living. I don't think I will ever be a true minimalist because I just have too much stuff, and I think I like too much stuff, so I'm just kind of trying to get to a happy medium, still incorporate some of our old decor, but also incorporating some new as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy coming along with me, trying to figure out my new style. I'm also going to spice up this little corner of our couch area by adding this throw blanket from Amazon. It's very affordable. They have a couple different colors. It'll be linked down below for you guys. And then I got this really cute little stool at Target. I decided that this area needed something. We used to have our old little stand over here that I sold and got rid of. I'm then taking this pot and this plant from Target as well. Our house is practically from Target. And I'm just going to be putting that on top of that stool. Love the way that this looks, and this corner is one of my favorites. A quick break for Zoe appreciation. She is seriously the cutest thing in the world, so I thought I would share her with you guys while I decorate. We're going to be moving on to our bookshelf. I'm going to be cleaning off the shelves because they do get pretty dusty. This area is the definition of my new style. I don't even know what to call my new style, so if you guys think you know what it is, let me know in the comments down below. I just love how minimal this looks, and it just makes my heart happy. Since our pantry doors are white and so many other things in our house is also white, I always like to keep some wreaths on the door to add a little bit of dimension and break up all of the white. These are from Target as well. They are from Hearth & Hand and I absolutely love them. Last but not least, we are going to decorate our new coffee table that I picked up from Home Goods. I found a very similar one on Wayfair that I will have linked down below for you guys. I love the new coffee table. It's such a great size for our living room compared to what we have. I just got this box from Target, added some dollar store hardback books, and this plant from Target, which I ended up moving from that pot that I showed you earlier in the video. I love how simple it came out, and I could not be happier. I feel like it matches that little stand that we got next to the couch with the lamp. It just goes so well together, so I would love to hear what you think of it in the comments down below. That is going to conclude today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm so happy to be back. If you are not already following me on Instagram, please make sure to do so and make sure to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.